Alright, it is time for RAGBRAI once again, so I'm going to share with you my packing list. It's been on my computer for years, and hopefully it helps you. Item number one, the bike. Don't forget the bike. And pro tip, a little less second inspection and maintenance can keep you from a mechanical on the side of the road. Item number two, helmet, gloves, glasses. Your personal protective gear when you're on the road. Number three, rider packet. This year's rider packet. Bike band, wristband, luggage tag, all that kind of stuff. And if you got your jersey in the mail early, then make sure you bring this year's jersey. And something to think about before you leave is check the website, the RAGBRAI website, because some days are themed jersey days. So you might want to make sure you pack a certain jersey for a certain day if you want to participate in the themed jersey days. Socks, underwear, shirts, shorts, pants, toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss. Don't forget dental floss. It sucks to have something stuck in your teeth when you're out there in the middle of nowhere camping. Bike lights. Sunscreen. Air pump. And air pump on the bike, along with tubes, tire levers, multi-tool, along with a multi-tool that's got a chain breaker on it, tire lever, patch kit, spare tube, a few extra things on the bike just in case. Cash. Don't forget cash. Cash is still king. Bring your card, but remember, out on the road there's a lot of places that still only take cash, so bring a little bit of the green. Bring your water bottles, your Camelback, or whatever kind of hydration device that you prefer. Bring power. Small USB batteries, USB charge cords, something to get USB out of 110, extra batteries for your cameras, maybe a small power strip. Sometimes the outlets are crowded, so having a small power strip can kind of help you alleviate some of those tensions around hogging a power strip. It's not always necessary, but you could consider one of these little solar panels. I've brought them in the past to keep my little batteries full while I'm on the road. If it's really sunny, they can help. Sleep phones or earplugs. If dude next to you is snoring, you're gonna wish you had these. If you're sitting at home wondering why I bring this, when you get there, you'll know when it happens. Rain gear, because it's not always clear. Funky socks. Got these on 2014 RAGBRAI in honor of Carter LeBeau. I bring them every year and wear them at least one day. A Sharpie and a few small zip ties. Cooling towel. This is a thicker one. It's like a chamois cloth and it holds on to water for a long time. This is the one you want. You can put ice cubes in here, wrap it around your neck. You can get them at Walmart, Amazon, wherever. This is absolutely essential on a hot year. And if you've seen my videos out there on the road, almost every time of the day when it gets hot, you see me put this thing on. Throw ice in it. It's like air conditioning out on the road. Always take the free sweat. All right, starting to get hot as balls. This is how it's done. Water on the cooling towel. Cooling towel around the neck. Stock it into the Camelback so the wind doesn't take it away. Learned that one the hard way. And now, sleeping gear. Sleeping bag, pillow, sheet if it's really hot. Sometimes you need something thick. I have actually been shivering in my tent before on some really cold RAGBRAI nights. Doesn't look like this is going to be that kind of year. So maybe something really light. But sleeping gear, swimming gear. After a hot day on RAGBRAI, if they have a pool, go there. Or don't, leave more room for me. But it's awesome. Go to the pool. I hate to sound like a cartoon towel, but don't forget to bring a towel. And of course, don't forget your tent. Some sort of wet shoes. Crocs, flip-flops, something like that. Something that you can take to the shower or the swimming pool. Or if you just want to get your sweaty feet out of shoes. Kind of nice to have around camp. Don't forget to bring your Garmin or cycle computer. Because after all, in 2026, if it didn't go on Strava, did it really happen? Don't forget to bring an action camera or two. I'm going to be bringing an Insta360, a drone, Osmo Pocket, chest cam, gooseneck cam, helmet camera. Don't forget your cameras. Or you just bring a cell phone like a normal person. You don't have to be a camera dork like me. The last thing that I would say is bring some food. Now that could include something like Cliff Bars to throw in your bike bag to get you in between towns. Or if you're lucky enough to have a support driver, in my case, I bring a blender and a cooler and some frozen fruit because nothing will power you down the road, and in my opinion, quite like a fruit smoothie. So, whatever food is to you, bring some, bring a little extra, and bring a little money so you can buy some food there. Because, a good mix of both is a good way to power you down the road and have a little bit of fun tasting all the flavors of Iowa. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you there. We got less than a week to go. I'm packing up this week. So I'll see you in Ottawa.